Rajan Chaudhary, motivational speaker, business coach, life coach. So, are you looking for a great business idea? Are you? Read on for ideas that will help you start and grow a successful business. Are you looking for a great business idea? Many of the best small business ideas involve an online business. You know now? So, choose a business idea that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. You're knowledgeable and passionate about, and develop a detailed business. More before starting a business, determine if there is a demand for the product or service you want to provide. This video is for anyone looking for inspiration to start a business. So, you want to start a business, but you are having a tough time articulation your idea. If you want to become an entrepreneur, you need inspiration. It all starts with an idea that has room to grow over time. If you are thinking of starting a business, it is critical to take the normal into account. The COVID-19 pandemic has changed so much about how people consume products and services. While starting a retail business or restaurant might have been good ideas, you might want to reconsider those thoughts until you see how the next year plays out instead of more traditional businesses. Think about ones that can support how people live their lives now. You will need to create a sound business plan, no matter what. But many of the ideas on this list only require a credit card, processing partner to accept payments to get started. Guys, this list of business ideas includes a loads of types of business to help you find success in 2022 and beyond. If you find an area you want to pursue, review the steps for how to start your own business. Is it? There is always a demand for personal hygiene, fashion, and grooming related services. So, once you make an initial investment in the store and raw material, if you can focus on selling and brand partnerships, you are highly likely to turn it into a profitable business idea. Listen, a small business loan for the same can be easily availed if you are interested in becoming your own boss with any such venture, the right time is now. The right time is now. Thank you so much, guys. Take care, be happy, and always be inspired and motivated. Thank you so much.